Hello friends, welcome to Smart Investor. Today we are going to discuss about live trade that I have executed today on Reliance. This is a covered call, how it can be used effectively to generate income month on month. This is a new perspective against a traditional covered call. Somebody wants to give away the stock. In that case, that is fine, but somebody doesn't want to give away that underlying stock, but they want to hold it. At the same time, they want to generate monthly income continuously. This is definitely useful in that case. Let's see what are the advantages. A covered call with roll forward. Financial perspective, it generates regular income monthly. Investor perspective, you can hold your favorite stock for long term and enjoy dividend and capital gains along with long term capital gain tax benefit. What if it is growth perspective? Yes, even if the stock is very bullish and growth is expected, you can still hold the stock and operate covered call every month. What are the internal adjustments you need to do that? So adjustments point of view, the stock goes in the money. No need to give away, but just roll forward to next month series and slightly roll up. So having seen these benefits, I have a Reliance stock in the month of June. I took the position. I would explain that how I roll forward to July series and made adjustment accordingly to get maximum benefit. This is my Reliance trade. My spot price I purchased at 1930 rupees, lot size 250. I entered strike price 2020 CE in the month of June for the premium of rupees 67. However, having seen the Reliance is since 1970, it has been rallied continuously. So I don't want to give away this stock in a portfolio. So what I have done, I roll forward to next month. How I have done my call 2020 strike call, I bought at 246 rupees, which means I booked loss of 179 points in rupees 44,750. Immediately, I roll forward to July series and roll up to next strike, that is 2,180 CE, which is the premium trading at 156. So this way, I received 156 points. From that, money is rupees 39,000. So if you see a capital gains, that is 2,180 strike minus my spot price is 1930, which will be 62,500 rupees is a capital gains. So together, option points I received 156 points, capital gains 62,500. Together 1,15,000 is my total profit. But loss I booked now is 44,750. If you calculate all together, you would get 56,750. I also took 2000 PE July series cash secured put CSP for rupees 23. So totally points what I lost 179. Totally points what I received by roll up to July month is 156 points, and CSP I got 23 points. Together I got again 179 points. So how many points I lost in June month series, again I got that back in July series. So theoretically speaking, there is no loss, but what is the another advantage I got is I'm also getting opportunity cost, which I don't want to miss in this stock. So because of that transaction, if you see that, suppose let's say if I exited this entire trade in June month itself, I would get 39,000 rupees profit, which is translated to 7.8% return. If I exit this trade in July, let's say if it is in at the money or in the money expired, I will get 56,750 rupees as a profit, If I add cash secured put profit also, it would be totally 62,500 rupees. If I consider only covered call profit, it is translated to 11.35%. If I include CSP, it would become around 12.5% return. This is a pair graph. June month series would look like a first pair chart. Second pair chart, I exited and I entered into 2180 CE. Hope you like the video. It is useful to you as well. Please like, share, subscribe and comment if you have any queries. Also, please join Telegram group for live trades and friendly discussions at Smart Investor 4. Thank you.